999,999 flashes of at-home hair removal for both males and women device for permanent painless hair removal from the face and the entire body with laser hair removal by disrupting the cycle of hair regrowth. Laser hair removal technology enables you to accomplish permanent hair removal and smooth skin. It is the best option to get rid of excess body hair because it is expert, delicate, and effective. The manufacturer will perform a quality check prior to shipment, so it will be used approximately 10 times. Is sufficient for a lifetime. When in use, kindly keep it plugged in. This hair removal device has a large LCD that makes it simpler to see all the information at once, such as a clear display of the number of available flashes, 2 flash modes and 5 energy levels to suit various skin sensitivity levels. The facial hair remover has 5 different energy levels. The design of 2 flash modes can meet your needs for various hair removal sections. The auto mode can be used for big hair removal areas, such as the arms, legs, stomach, and bikini line, while the manual mode is primarily used for tiny area hair removal, such as the bikini line, armpit, fingers, and lips. Back. Affordable home hair removal. The technology has been modified by ISTON laser hair removal for secure use in the convenience of your own house. The laser hair removal device is delicate, secure, easy to use, and practical for use at home. When compared to salon hair removal methods, you can get the same hair removal results at home while saving a lot of money and effort. Quick and efficient hair removal. 75% of hair grows slowly and decreases with laser hair removal after 4 weeks, according to tests and research. After using for 6 weeks, the hair started to diminish. Regular use may aid in stopping undesirable hair from rising to the skin's surface.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.